little bit.
Now this is for what?
Because my wife's been bugging me about the tools.
That's right.
Today we're going to bring these racks. They're very light, but very durable and very strong. This goes through the wall, and then you pretty much stack them up. And very simple to set up. It comes with the screws and all the setups that you need. We're here at a shop, and more normally we always hang stuff in here, pieces of wood. So today we're gonna hang some more pieces of wood over this stuff because this shop needs a lot of space. It's a good thing to add extra racks because we're completely out of space all the time. So we're gonna set these up and start using them and start putting pieces of wood on top of it and see how well it works.